At is used for times of the day, times inside of a day. For example, at 12 p.m. or at. Hello everyone. 大家好. Welcome to another episode of Taylor Teaches English. 欢迎来看泰勒老师教英语的另一集. Today, we are going to learn about prepositions of time. 今天我们将学时间介词. In English, we use 3 prepositions to talk about time: in, at, on. In is used for longer periods of time, like months and years. We can also use it for seasons. These are longer periods of time. At is used for times of the day, times inside of a day. For example, at 12 p.m. or at 7 in the morning. On is used for days and dates. For example, on Monday, on Friday, or on July 4th. 我们用 in 用于表示月、年、季节和更长的时间段。At 用于白天或晚上的特定时间。On 用于表示日期和日期。Let's do some examples. I was born in 1989. I was born in 1989. I like to go swimming in summer. I like to go swimming in summer. At. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. On. I have a meeting on Tuesday. I have a meeting on Tuesday. In, at, on. These are your 3 prepositions for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 谢谢大家，下次见。